Oh, hello. Thank you for joining me for Veg with Lisa live. I am Lisa. This is definitely live. And today I'm going to show you my new favorite. I know. Last week I told you it was my new favorite soup recipe. It was. And this is my today's new favorite soup recipe. Roasted butternut squash and ginger soup. Doesn't that sound absolutely amazing? Hi, Rob. But before I get started, please type in the comments, say hi, let me know that you're here and that you can see me and that you can hear me. Who wants the easiest, peasiest, yummiest, breeziest soup recipe? Woohoo! Me too, and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, this was so simple because all I did was roasted. Hi, Rob. Oh, you're going to get to taste it for lunch. I roasted a butternut squash. I cut it up. I actually happen to have a whole butternut squash, so I cubed it. I know that can kind of be a little bit of a pain. Most grocery stores nowadays, I know Trader Joe's has it. You can buy butternut squash already peeled and cubed. Save yourself the risk of losing a finger. But if you're going to do it, be really careful. Make sure your knife is sharp. Cubed butternut squash, onions, garlic, and get this, ginger. Big chunks of fresh ginger roasted on my pan with my veggies. I have never done that before, and let me tell you, it is absolutely amazing. Actually, I don't need to tell you. I don't need to tell you. I'm going to show you. So, roasted the veg, seriously. I use parchment paper so that it makes it easier to clean up. And then I'm going to pour it in a soup pot just to show you how simple this is to finish it off. Okay. All of the roasted veg, butternut squash, onions, garlic, and some big chunks of fresh ginger in the soup pot. Veggie stock. Make sure you read your labels on veggie stock. A lot of them are kind of nasty. They've got added sugars, added oils. This organic one from Trader Joe's is good. I like to use it. I'm gonna warm my roasted veg up here, add a little bit of veggie stock, and then I get to get out my favorite kitchen tool. And let's give this a go. I love the immersion blender. If you don't have one, I know we all don't need any more kitchen appliances, but let me tell you, it is such a game changer. Okay, need a little bit more veggie stock. So I drizzled my veg before I roasted them with olive oil and sprinkled them with salt and pepper. That was it. I'm telling you, there is nothing to this soup. It's easy and peasy. Just so it's a little bit creamy, a little bit of non-dairy milk. Make sure you read your labels on that too. You want it to be unsweetened, no sugar, no gunk in there. I'm telling you, this is my favorite kitchen appliance. Okay, but by the magic power of television, voila! Oh, it's a butternut squash soup facial, ginger, and hi, Cousin Mildred. Oh my gosh, do you ever make butternut squash soup? Look at how creamy and how silky this is. Oh, wow. Okay, all I did, I roasted my veg, butternut squash, onions, garlic, fresh ginger on a baking sheet, olive oil, salt, and pepper. That is it till it's super, super soft. And then I pureed it with some veggie stock and a splash of non-dairy milk for a little extra creaminess. And then you know me, I can't help myself. I love a little bit of heat. Bam, we're always cooking with heat in this kitchen, aren't we, Rob? So a little bit of chili oil, some chili crisp perhaps. Make sure you read your labels on this. I'm partial to Spice Switch. I'll pop the store in the comments because she uses avocado oil and no sugar. Oh, Cousin Mildred says butternut squash soup is one of her favorites. Me too. And then, I kind of made a mess of that, didn't I? Because more green is always better. I had some cilantro, so I'm going to put in some cilantro and some microgreens. And then I'm going to give this a slurp right here on live TV. Unbelievable. but don't take my word for it. Give it a try. Roasted butternut squash and ginger soup. Easy peasy, absolutely delicious. And look at all of those colors, orange and green. Couldn't be any better for you. Thank you for joining me for Veg with Lisa live. And I'll see you next week.